Hey AP graders, so my name is Ryan Tao and what I built for the AP grade task is called Fruit Sniper. So the premise of the game is to quote unquote snipe the fruit by clicking on it. However, if you hit the background 3 times, you lose. There are 3 levels to this game and each level gets harder and harder as you go on. And once you beat the final level, you win. So let me start this. So this is the front screen. As you can see, it's Fruit Sniper and this is a little description. Start. So you want to click the picture, and if you hit the background, you lose lives. So for this level, you want to hit to 15. There, and this is the second level. Once again, if I hit the background, you lose lives. And for this one, I increase it by a lot of points, so it makes it seem like you're really good at the game. Bam. Alright, this is the final level. And yeah, you beat the game. So you can restart, and I'll show you if you click on the background 3 times, you lose. And yeah, this is all the code. Thank you, and have a great day.